Good morning, guys. Let's talk about area model and distributive property of multiplication. We have many ways to multiply. Let's use the area model for multiplying numbers. Here we have the first example, 409 times 68. First of all, we have to break the numbers. 409 means 400 plus 9. And 68 means 60 plus 8. Let's draw the area model and write these two numbers here, 60 and 8, and the other up, 400 here and 9. Let's make multiplying. 60 times 400 equal 24,000, and 60 times 9 equal 540. Then let's make multiply 8 times 400 equal 3,200. Then 8 times 9 equals 72. After that, let's make adding for these numbers. 24,000 plus 540 plus 3,200 plus 72. In a draft, it will be 27,812. In example B, 1,738 times 54. First of all, we have to break the numbers. 1,738 means 1,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 8. And 54 means 50 plus 4. Then let's draw the area model and write here 50 and 4 and up 1,738. Let's make multiply 50 times 1,000. I'm going to write the answer here in the first box. 50,000. Then 50 times 700 equal 35,000. 50 times 30 equal 1,500. Then 50 times 8 equal 400. After that, let's make 4 times 1,000. It will be 4,000. And 4 times 700 equal 2,800. Then 4 times 30 equal 120. Then 4 times 8 equal 32. After that, let's make adding for the numbers. 50,000 plus 35,000 plus 1,500 plus 400 plus 4,000 plus 2,800 plus 120 plus 32. If you make adding in a draft, the answer will be 93,852. Don't forget these notes. When adding the products, order of products doesn't affect on the total answer. Let's talk about using distributive property of multiplying. The distributive property states that multiplying a sum by a number is the same as multiplying each addition by that number and adding the product. Let's see here in the first example. To find 7 times 14 by using the distributive property. First, break apart 14 into 10 plus 4. So I'm going to write here 7 times, between two brackets, 10 plus 4. I'm going to distribute 7 times 10, between two brackets, plus 7 again times 4. So 7 times 10 equals 70, plus 7 times 4 equals 28. 70 plus 28 equal 98. Here, let's solve the same example by using the area model. Here, I'm going to write 7 and up, I break the number 14 into 10 and 4. 7 times 10 equals 70. Then I will make 7 times 4 equal 28. Now, let's make adding for these two numbers. 70 plus 28 equal 98. In example 3, use the distributive property to find the following products. Try to find another way to break apart represented the problem using an area model. If you have 46 times 27, as we said, first of all, we have to break apart 46 into 40 plus 6 and break apart 27 into 20 plus 7. Let's see here. You have area model. 40, write 40 here and 6, and here 20 and 7. Let's make distribution. I will write 40 times 7, then 40 times 20, plus 6 times 20, plus 6 times 7. After that, let's make adding for 800. 40 times 20. Here he write for you the answer 800, and here he gave you the answer 280, and here he gave you the answer 120, and the last one the answer is 42. Let's make adding for the numbers 800 plus 280 plus 120 plus 42. So the answer is 1242. Here, complete each of the following by using area model. He already drew for me the table and write for me here the numbers 10 and 6, 30 and 8. He already break it for me. That's mean we have 38 times 16. Let's make distribution 10 times 30 and 10 times 8. After that, 6 times 30 and 6 times 8. Let's make multiplying. 10 times 30 equal 300 and 10 times 8 equal 80. 6 times 30 equal 180. 6 times 8 equal 48. After that, let's make adding 300 plus 180 plus 80 plus 48 equal, if you make it in a draft, 608. Number B, 80 and 2, he already break for me the number, and the second number he already break it for me to 170 and 5. That's mean the number is 175 times 82. Let's make multiplying. 80 times 100 equal 8,000, and 80 times 70 equal 5,600. Then 80 times 5 equal 400. 2 times 100 equal 200. And 2 times 70 equal 140. 2 times 5 equal 10. If you need to make adding for these numbers to get the answer, I will make 8,000 plus 5,600 plus 400 plus 200 plus 140 plus 10. It will be 14,350. Exercise 2. Expanding equation. Create an area model for each of the following problems and find each product. Here in the first example, he writes 506 times 42. Let's break first the number. 506 means 506. 42, let's break it into 40 and 2. Now multiply 40 times 500, it will be 20,000. And 40 times 6, it will be 240. Then 2 times 500 equal 1,000. Then 2 times 6 equal 12. After that, let's make adding. 20,000 plus 240 plus 1,000 plus 12. In a draft, 20,000 plus 240 plus 1,000 plus 12. And don't forget to write each place value under each other. Now 2 plus 0 plus 0 equal 2 and 4 plus 1 equal 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0 equal 2 and 1 plus 0 equal 1 and drop the 2 down, so the answer is 21,252. Exercise B. 1,140 times 27. Let's break the numbers. 1,140, I will break it into 1,140. 27, I will break it into 20 and 7. Let's make multiply. 20 times 1,000 equal 20,000 and 20 times 100 equal 2,000. 20 times 40 equal 800 and 7 times 1,000 equals 7,000. 7 times 100 equals 700 and 7 times 40 equals 280. After that, let's make adding for all these numbers. 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 800 plus 7,000 plus 700 plus 280. Let's write it in a draft. The numbers under its place value. Let's start from the right. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. And 0 plus 8 equals 8. 8 plus 7 plus 2 equals 17. 7 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 plus 7 equals 10. 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer is 30,780. In exercise C, 2,721 times 56. First of all, we will draw the area model and break 2,721 into 2,720 and 1. Then let's break the other number, 56. I will break it into 50 and 6. Let's make multiply. 50 times 2,000 equal 100,000 and 50 times 700 equal 35,000. 50 times 20 equal 1,000 and 50 times 1 equal itself 50. Then 6 times 2,000 equal 12,000. 6 times 700 equal 4,200. 6 times 20 equal 120 and 6 times 1 equal 6. Then let's make adding for all these numbers. 100,000 plus 35,000 plus 1,000 plus 50 plus 12,000 plus 4,200 plus 120 plus 6. If you make it in a draft, it will be 152,376. Here, use the distributive property of multiplying and the area model to find the product of each of the following. Here, the question 58 times 42. He already write for you the area model and he write all the numbers. He break 42 into 40 and 2 and he already break 58 into 50 and 8. And the product of 40 times 50 he wrote it for you here, and 40 times 8 he already write it for you, and also 2 times 50 the answer is 100. 2 times 8 he already write it for you 18. So I'm gonna write here 40 he wants from you to distribute. He write 40, so I'm gonna write 40 times what? Times 50. Then I will make distribute 40 times 8 he already write it. Then 2 times 50, then 2 times 8 equal 2000 plus 320 plus 100 plus 16. Let's make adding for all these numbers. The answer will be 2436. Exercise B. He already drew for me the area model and he breaks the numbers and he solved the multiplying and put the answer into the boxes. Let's make distribution 20 times 30. He already write it for me. So what is the second step? To make 20 times what? 7. Excellent. 20 times 7. Then let's make distribution 4 times what? 30. Let's write 4 times 30. And the last step 4 times 7. He already write it for me. So after make adding for these numbers 600 plus 140 plus 120 plus 28, if you make adding, the answer will be 888. Exercise 4. Complete the area model and evaluate. In exercise A, 40 times 40 plus 40 times 8 plus 9 times 40 plus 9 times 8. Let's see here in the area model. Here we have a missing number that I multiplied it by 40. Let's see. The missing number here is, yes, 40. As you see here in the distribution, 40 times 40. Then 40 times 8. So the missing number here is 8. Now let's make multiplying. He already write the answer. 40 times 40 equal 1600. Then I will multiply 40 times 8 equal 320. Let's make multiply. 9 multiply 40 equal 360. 9 times 8, he already solved it for me. Let's make adding for all these numbers in the area model. I'm gonna make 1600 plus 320 plus 360 plus 72. Let's write it in a draft. And don't forget to put every number under its place value. 1600 plus 320 plus 360 plus 72. Let's start from the right side. 2 plus 0 equal 2. And 2 plus 7 plus 6 equal 15. 5 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 equal 13. 3 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. So the answer is 2352. In Example 5, complete. We have here 15 times 46. He make distribution for me, and we have some numbers are missing. Now 15 here, he write for me 10 times what? Let's see. I'm gonna start 15 here. He distribute the 10 times 40, then 10 times 6. He write for me 10, so the missing is 40, then 10 times 6, he already write it for me. Then let's make distribution for the value here of 5. 5 times 40, he solved it for me. Then I'm gonna make 5 times 6. Example B. 328 times 67. Let's see, he wants to break the numbers. 328 means 300 plus 20 plus 8 times 67 here means 60 plus 7. In the last example, Mina runs 14 hours every week. What is the number of running hours in 52 weeks? First, let's make 52 times 14. Let's make multiplying by using the area model. Let's draw it. Then I will break 52 into 50 and 2. Also 14, I will break it into 10 and 4. Now let's make multiplying. 10 times 50 equal 500 and 10 times 2 equal 20. Then 4 times 50 equal 200 and 4 times 2 equal 8. Then let's make adding for all these numbers in the area model. So I'm gonna make 500 plus 20 plus 200 plus 8. Let's write it in a draft. 500 plus 20 plus 200 plus 8 under each other, every digit under its place value. 8 plus 0 equal 8 and 2 plus 0 equal 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So the answer is 728 hours. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the video.